I told you.
I got money dropping ADA. I'm spending my money for ADA. Sticking my chest.
I told you. I told you. What? That ADA will go to the moon. Let me explain what happened. Hello and welcome everyone to Crypto Millionaire from Scratch. I'm Paul Wayne, and in this video we will talk about ADA and why ADA increased with 18%, more than 18% in the last 24 hours. If you saw the previous video, the video from yesterday, I got hyped because I saw a huge spike in ADA out of a sudden. But it was not out of a sudden. I didn't know that ADA got released on CoinBase. And this is really important because as you can see, the market is going somehow down, but this thing right here, this announcement, got the price of ADA increasing, which is a really important thing in crypto. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a crypto expert, these are just my opinions and stuff that I noticed in the short period that I'm into crypto, alright? So, what I noticed is that when the fundamentals, this is from Alex Becker by the way, when the fundamentals are the same, only the news can affect the price. But on the long term, the fundamentals matters. So the price of ADA increased. It's time to buy a Lambo, but hear me out. You'll get even better returns if you hold, obviously. This is just a small spike. And this spike is because of this thing right here. Cardano ADA is launching on CoinBase Pro and it got launched today. So now on, you can buy Cardano and ADA on CoinBase, which is an exchange platform. I believe it's the biggest exchange for cryptocurrency, and now the amazing part is that they accept payments in Bitcoin and crypto on other sites. So let's say that when you want to buy something from Amazon or an ebook online, you can pay with Cardano, you can pay with Bitcoin through CoinBase. I'm not sure if it's added on Amazon yet, but I'm sure that it will be. So another important aspect when you get into crypto, make sure that you follow the news. So when you get into crypto, it's really important to follow the news, to follow the people that are influential in this market and what they say. Because I got this lesson from two events, this event and the Elon Musk event when he said one word, Doge. It can be considered news because he announced something or made a simple post and people went nuts and bought Doge. And let me show you what happened when Elon Musk talked about Doge. So it happened, it happened right here. So as you can see, so before Elon talking about Doge, the price was 0.3 cents. And then let's get closer. 0.3 cents, 0.8 cents, and then boom, this skyrocketed here and it peaked at 7 cents. Damn, this is crazy. So if you bought here, as you can see, it was going down. You had no clue that it's going to rise. Moreover, Dogecoin is purely based on peer pressure and the network effect, which means that you are not actually doing anything with it. It's a meme coin. It has no use, just a trading currency, and it's fun. That's why people are buying Doge. But Cardano has fundamentals and a strong technology behind it. I recommend you to read all the Cardano white papers and go on their site to learn more. But this small thing right here affected the price of Cardano by a lot on the short term because it was going down and it got up. So what you can learn from this is follow the news and the influential people in this field, because whenever they say something, the price might go up, go down, because the community will take a decision. So this is also related to this blog post on Medium by Coinbase. So starting today, Tuesday, March 16th, transfer ADA into your Coinbase Pro account ahead of trading. So as you can see here, this announcement made a huge change in ADA's price, and it might be the start of a snowball because people notice that ADA can be bought on Coinbase, we'll buy more, and it will be a more popular coin. It already is the top 3 currency here, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano ADA. Before this announcement, ADA was, I think, on the 5th place, something like this, but now it went nuts. The volume in the last 24 hours is $11 billion, which is half what Ethereum got. And Ethereum has a 205 billion market cap, and Cardano has only 40 billion, which is amazing. I can see Cardano outpacing Ethereum and getting a higher price, at least before the ETH 2.0 release, which is delayed every single month. Anyway, these are my 2 cents on ADA and how you can make money on crypto with news. Again, this is not financial advice. Follow the news, take your own decision, and remember one word, Dior. Do your own research. Right? If you want to learn more about crypto and if you want to join this 0 to a million challenge with me, make sure that you subscribe, notifications bell on, and also check these 2 videos on the screen because they are amazing. See you in the next video.
I got money dripping data. I'm spending my money fada. Sticking my cherry ada. Only 5% in data. I got money dripping data. Spending my money fada.